Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very quick video on how to achieve a nice fluffy fro with your natural hair. I haven't worn a full fro in like a year, so I kind of missed that. I figured I could just wear a fro once before I go ahead and twist my hair up. Speaking of twisting my hair, I'm actually thinking I might do micro twist. I'm not 100% sure if I can commit to it, but I am determined to do some micro twists. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this video on how to achieve a nice fro. The leave-in conditioner I'm going to be using today is from Pure Professional. I paid about $9 for this, and you know, this is my third time using it and it's really good. I used it on my green braids and I used it as a regular leave-in conditioner, and now I'm going to use it on the fro. I'm also going to be using the one and only Blue Magic on my hair. I've been using this guy since last year. Everybody knows Blue Magic. I went back to them because Blue Magic. I'm also going to be using my hair oil. I made this myself and I've been using it on my hair since the amazing breakage happened. My hair is still falling out, but it's a little better now. I washed my hair a week ago, but I probably would wash my hair again before I start the braids, just so you know I can start it with clean hair and that way it will last me longer. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So combing is optional. It's completely up to you if you want to comb your hair. I know some people don't like to comb. For me, sometimes I like to comb my hair, sometimes I don't. For this one, I may comb it just a little bit, but not too much because, you know, my hair is already falling out and it breaks very easily right now, so I'm trying to tread carefully. Alright, I am done and my lights died on me while I was twisting my hair, which sucks. There's no like specific rules when it comes to twisting. Okay, so I'm gonna come up close to show you guys the method I used with my twist. So when I finished, I just basically put it in a bantu knot. So you know, I twist it down and then I just roll the front. In fact, I'm just gonna unravel this one so you guys can see it. So once you're done doing your twist, you know, you just go ahead and roll it up a little bit and put it up in a bantu knot, so that way you can secure the twist and it doesn't unravel. But yeah, this is the hair. It's all done. I am going to keep this in for about 2-3 days with today included. Today is currently Wednesday and I plan to take this down on Saturday, so it's going to be in my satin bonnet till then. Alright, so I will give you an update on Saturday. Bye! Today is Saturday and I am about to unravel this special hair of mine. So the last time I filmed this, which was when I was putting the hair together, it was on Wednesday, I believe. After that, I actually had a migraine, so I had to put my head under water, which equals epic shrinkage. So it doesn't look the way it was when I filmed it, and I think that's fine because now it will just show the fro in the most realistic way, like it should be with the 4C fros. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I did not redo the twist, I just left it the way it was, and I applied some oils and I put some conditioner, and of course I wrapped the hair up. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started because it's really hot in here. It's actually not looking bad so far. It's not as matted as I thought it would be. So if you want to just wear like a defined fro, I guess you can just tweak it a little bit like that, but that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for a really natural big old fro if I can get it. I don't think it to be super big now because of the shrinkage that happened from dipping my hair in water, but I think I can achieve some level of fro to this. I don't care for coils right now, especially in this day and age where there's so much stigma with our beautiful 4C hair and people not understanding how fro works or mat or shrinkage and things like that. But if you wanted to wear something with a bantu twist out, this would probably be something like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and comb this out, or just play with it a little bit and see what I get. So what I'm doing is just combing out the tips, just a little. Just remember to always be gentle so that your hair don't break, as our hair is pretty fragile. Oh man, this is funny. Okay, let me try to work this guy at the front. I don't know what's happening with this one. Look at that, I got a face cap. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. So basically I'm just kind of combing it to the front, but I'm not combing all the way out. I'm just using my brush to push the hair forward from the root, so that way it falls towards the front. So that way I can achieve the shape that I'm going for. I'm really hoping this experiment turns out successful. But I also know that I don't want to leave like a weird gap in the middle, so it doesn't look like I have no hair right there. So let's see. So I need to fix this place right here. So now I'm just gonna fluff it out like that. Alright, let's pat this baby. I feel like my fro is blending in with that black cupboard behind me, and it's making it hard to tell if I got it right. Yeah, I think I got it. This is it. So even though I had a bit of shrinkage from putting my hair in water, I still feel like I got the most realistic fro that I was going for. I wanted it a little bigger, but now that I'm seeing it on camera, I feel like this is big enough. Because, you know, my back hair tends to get a lot of shrinkage, way more than the front. And right now I feel like this is a very good length for all of them. It's not necessarily fully equal, but I think it's perfect. I was trying to achieve those like 70s fro, and I think I came pretty close, if not exactly how I wanted it to be. The only thing left is just for me to pat the top to form into a very nice neat circle. This guy's right here pretty stubborn, and the front I'm just gonna tuck it in. That's my fro with my sweaty face. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see how the fro looks. But yeah, that's the hair. And this has been how to achieve a natural looking fro without doing so much to your hair. I feel like we don't see a lot of natural 4C fros going on. Actually, I don't think we see a lot of fros now that I think of it. And every time we see a lot of videos on 4C, everyone is trying to do like definition, sleeking baby hair, doing coils here, coils there, and coils everywhere. And yeah, we can do that, but who really wants to manipulate the hair all the time? We all know how this hair breaks so easily, and I don't know, I just felt like maybe it's time to really just show the beauty that we got going on underneath all of that, and you know, comb that hair out, rock your fro, and just be free. Alright, this has been how to achieve a natural looking fro, or 70s fro, or just wearing your 4C hair out just because. I hope this was helpful in some way. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!